Hello, hi students, how are you? I am quite fine and I hope the same with you. Last in the last episode we we conversed about the conversation and today let us deal how to write a letter. Letter is a major discourse which fetches you 10 marks. So please concentrate and if you have any doubts or any comments you can ask me or you can comment. So first I like to show you something. Here, first you observe here, letter writing. In English language, the first one, in English language, letter have two meanings. The first point is, in English language, the letter have two meanings. One is A, B, C, D, E, etc. They are called letters which are included in alphabet. Alphabet means it comprises of 26 letters. It is A to Z. And that is one meaning. And another meaning is, the second meaning is message which we write or receive. Sometimes we will get messages from our relatives, from our friends, from officials, and from guests. And sometimes we write letters to officers or our friends or our uncle or aunts or some other. So, letter writing has two parts generally. Letter has two meanings. The first one is A, B, C, D, and these 26 are called as letters, and the total, the group is called as an alphabet. And the second one is message, which we write or receive. Sometimes we write messages and sometimes we receive messages, and that is called a letter. So now let us come to the parts of a letter. So if you observe the parts of the letter, we have 5 parts totally. The first one is heading. A heading comprises of two address, date and place. Remember, once again I will repeat it. The first one is heading. In the heading, you have to write two address to whom you are writing letter, and you have to write the date and you have to write the place. And the second one is salutation. I think you know what salute is. Salute is nothing but respecting. It is nothing but you have to give respect. And nowadays, generally, people they are writing as respected sir, respected ma'am, like that. And the third part of the letter is body. And this body is subdivided into again 3 parts. That is, the first one is introduction, and the second one is main point, and the third one is conclusion. Suppose if you are writing a letter to your class to the principal for leave. So first you have to introduce yourself. That is, I am Philip Raj. I am studying 10th class, and that's come under your introduction. And the second, the main point. Why do you need leave? So because of your sister's marriage, you need leave for a week. And the third one is conclusion. Conclusion is nothing but you have to request your principal to grant leave for 1 week. So body includes 3 points again. And the fourth one is subscription. Subscription is nothing but you have to write it directly under the date and place. Straight to date and place you have to write it. Now I will show you how to write a simple letter. Very simple and simple one. So what is the first one? What is the first part? The first part is heading. Heading is nothing but take the example of the same one, that is writing a letter to the principal. To the principal ZPHS Ekdam. Okay. So here remember, most of the students generally they commit a mistake, that is keeping a comma here. No need to keep comma after 2. Don't do that. You can keep comma here and comma here, and if you end the letter end the address, then you can keep full stop. And straight to this, remember, straight to you write date. And place. What is the date today? 31st 3/21. And the place, Etham. So this commander, these two address and this commander, the first part that is heading. So the first part is over, that is heading is over, that is two address is over, date is over, and place is over. And let us come to the second point. Let us come to the second point. There is salutation. Salute is nothing but, suppose if we respect anyone, then generally we salute. And that's why the word arrived, that is nothing but salutation. Generally, straight to this, remember, straight to this, you have to write respected madam. Then you have to keep comma here, respected madam. So salutation is over. And the third one, body of the letter. Body of the letter, first straight, listen straight to this. I am so and so, studying in class 10th. So this is your introduction. I need leave for a week because of my sister's marriage. And this is your main point. The second one, introduction is, I am so and so, your name, you have to write your name here, studying in class 10, and this one is your introduction. This one is your introduction. And from here to here, this is your main point. Why do you need leave? And the third one, conclusion. Hence, I request you to grant leave. And this is your conclusion. I'm just simplifying the letter. You can add as much as you like. Just simplify the L. If you write this also, then you will get marks. And this is your conclusion. And here, straight to this, you have to write your subscription. Yours obediently. Your name and roll number. And here, hence I request you to grant leave. Thank you. So, once again I will repeat. Letter writing in English language, letter have two meanings. The first one is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. They are all letters. 26 letters comprises of an alphabet. Alphabet is nothing but it's a combination of 26 letters. And the second one is message, which we write or we receive. Sometimes we receive letters and sometimes we write letters. That is this letter. And the third one, parts of a letter. This one is very important. When you write exam, the examiner generally, he points out these 5 points. This body consists of only 2 marks. And the punctuation here, comma, full stop. And here also you have to keep comma. And here also you have to keep full stop, comma, full stop. For this you will get another 3 marks. So 3 marks for your punctuation and 2 marks for your body. So totally, suppose if the letter is comprised of only 5 marks, then you will get like this. Or if the letter consists of, actually it's a major discourse, then you will get 5 here. 5 for your body and the remaining 5 for your punctuation marks. And the this part is called as subscription. Straight to this. this part is called yours obediently is called as subscription. And superscription is nothing, but actually we don't write superscription in our exam. Why? Because superscription is written on the envelope of the letter. ఇప్పుడు నేను దీన్ని తెలుగులో చెప్పాలని ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. ట్రై టు లిజన్, వినండి, కొంచెం అర్థం చేసుకోండి. లెటర్ ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో లెటర్కు రెండు మీనింగ్లు ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటేంటంటే ABCD EFGHIJ. ఆ 26 లెటర్స్, ఆ 26 ఏ ఒక లెటర్, B ఒక లెటర్, C ఒక లెటర్, D ఒక లెటర్, ఆ 26 లెటర్స్ కలిపితే దాన్ని మనం ఆల్ఫాబెట్ అని అంటాం. ఈ ఆల్ఫా అనేది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చిందంటే లాటిన్ వర్డ్. లాటిన్లో ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ ఆల్ఫా. మన స్కూల్కి కూడా ఫస్ట్ పోయినప్పుడు నేర్చుకునేది ఆల్ఫాబెట్ కాబట్టి దాన్ని ఆల్ఫా అని పెట్టింది. దిట్ ఇస్ ద లాటిన్ వర్డ్ ఆల్ఫాబెట్ అనేది. ఓకే, ఈ 26 లెటర్స్ కలిపితేనే ఆల్ఫాబెట్ అవుతుంది. సెకండ్ మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే మనకు కొన్ని మెసేజెస్ వస్తుంటాయి ఫ్రమ్ ద ఆఫీసర్స్ ఆర్ సమ్ అదర్, ఆర్ మనం కొంతమంది మన ఫ్రెండ్స్కు, రిలేటివ్స్కు, లేకపోతే మన అంకల్స్, కాంట్స్కు లెటర్స్ రాస్తుంటాం, రిసీవ్ చేసుకుంటాం. అది ఇంకో లెటర్. అయితే నేను ఐఎమ్ స్ట్రెస్సింగ్ ఆన్ సెకండ్ దాని మీద నేను స్ట్రెస్ చేసి చెప్తుంది అంటే పార్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లెటర్. లెటర్కు 5 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ 5 పార్ట్స్ ఉంటేనే దెన్ యూ విల్ గెట్ 10 మార్క్స్. మీ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్ ఎగ్జామినర్కి అంత టైం ఉండదు, లెటర్కి ఇంత టైం ఉండదు. బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్ అంతా చదవాలని ఉండదు. జనరల్లీ విల్ గివ్ యూ 3 మార్క్స్ 4 మార్క్స్ ఎట్లా ఇస్తాడు 10 మార్క్స్ కోసం కాబట్టి. సో ఈ పంక్చుయేషన్ మార్క్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో, ఈ కామా, ఈ ఫుల్ స్టాప్, ఇక్కడ కామా, ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ స్టాప్, ఇక్కడ కామా, ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ స్టాప్, ఇవి ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో ఇవి కరెక్ట్ పెట్టి ఈ బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద లెటర్ అందరూ ఒకటే రాయాలి. ఇప్పుడు జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకోవాలి, అందరు స్టూడెంట్స్ ఒకటే మ్యాటర్ ఒకటే రాయాలి. ఒకే స్టూడెంట్ మన ఒపీనియన్ ప్రకారం, మన ఆలోచన ప్రకారం రాస్తారు కాబట్టి మార్క్స్ 100% మీరు ఈ 5 పార్ట్స్ను తప్పకుండా జ్ఞాపకం పెట్టుకుని రాసే మీకు 10 out of 10 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి. अब मैं उर्दू में समझाना चाहता हूँ. लेटर राइटिंग इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में लेटर को 2 मीनिंग्स होते हैं. एक मीनिंग दैट इज ए एक लेटर है, बी एक लेटर है, सी एक लेटर है, डी एक लेटर, ई एक लेटर. ऐसा 26 लेटर्स पूरा मिला है तो उसको अल्फाबेट बोलते हैं. वो अल्फाबेट में 26 लेटर्स रहते हैं. सेकंड मीनिंग क्या है बोले तो थोड़ा मैसेजेस हम हमारे खाते, थोड़ा मैसेज हम थोड़े हमारे आंट्स अंकल्स नहीं तो ऑफिशियल्स थोड़े एप्लीकेशंस वो लिखते रहते. वो लेटर के बारे में मैं आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ. ये लेटर राइटिंग में 5 पार्ट्स होते हैं. पहला पार्ट हेडिंग. ये हेडिंग में 2 एड्रेस लिखना पड़ता है, डेट प्लेस लिखना पड़ता है, वो भी स्ट्रेट ऐसा. लेटर ऐसा रहना, स्ट्रेट ऐसा स्ट्रेट रहना, ऐसा स्ट्रेट रहना, ऐसा स्ट्रेट रहना, नीट रहना, ऐसा देखे तो नीट रहना. हेडिंग में हम क्या लिखते हैं? 2 एड्रेस लिखते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप प्रिंसिपल को लेटर लिख रहे, किसके वास्ते? आपके बहन के शादी के वास्ते, आपको 1 वीक लीव होना. ये लेटर मैं लिखा, 2 एड्रेस टू द प्रिंसिपल, डेट टाइम ये आ गए. The second one is respected madam. Here you can write, इधर आप respected madam लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो खाली मैडम लिख सकते हैं. respected madam लिखे तो थोड़ा अच्छा रहता. So this is the salutation. कई बोले तो आपको मैडम को रेस्पेक्ट कर रहे, सैल्यूट कर रहे तो salutation. थर्ड वन बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर. ये बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर में 3 पॉइंट्स होते हैं. फर्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस कर लेना, आप कौन सा क्लास पढ़ रहे, आपका नाम क्या है, आपका रोल नंबर क्या है, वो आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में आता. सेकंड पॉइंट क्या बोलते हैं? मेन पॉइंट, कई को लिख रहे, प्रिंसिपल को लेटर कई को लिख रहे. आपके सिस्टर्स के मैरिज का वास्ते आपको 1 वीक लीव होना, इसका वास्ते लिख रहे, वो मेन पॉइंट में आ जाता. कंक्लूजन में क्या आता? आप रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं, प्रिंसिपल को रिक्वेस्ट करके वो ग्रांट 1 वीक लीव ग्रांट करना बोलते, रिक्वेस्ट करके थैंक यू बोलते. अनदर इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग क्या है बोले तो ये डेट प्लेस को इसको स्ट्रेट ऐसा रहना, ये स्ट्रेट रहना, ये ऐसा भी स्ट्रेट रहना. एक पेज ऐसा लिख के पहले एक पेज में ऐसा पेंसिल से ऐसा एग्जाम ऐसा है कि ऐसा फर्स्ट टू इधर टू एड्रेस ऐसा लिख के आप ऐसा लिखे तो आपको 10 आउट ऑफ 10 मार्क्स आ सकते हैं। अब ये 5 पॉइंट्स नहीं लिखे तो उन पॉइंट्स देखता, ये बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर ज़्यादा उसको ज़्यादा उसमें ज़्यादा कंसंट्रेशन नहीं एग्जाम में ज़्यादा नहीं कंसंट्रेट करते। कहीं बोले तो ऑल स्टूडेंट्स पूरा स्टूडेंट्स एक ही मैटर नहीं लिखते, थोड़ा स्टूडेंट्स थोड़ा अलग अलग मैटर लिखते। इधर सिस्टर्स मैरिज है तो उनको टूर भी जा रहा हूँ बोल के थोड़ा जन लिखते, मेरा हेल्थ अच्छा नहीं है बोल के थोड़ा जन लिखते। ऐसा है, ऐसा रहता। इसका वास्ते ये बॉडी ऑफ द लेटर उतना कंसंट्रेट नहीं करते, ये पॉइंट्स को कंसंट्रेट करते। ये लेटर राइटिंग आपको आई थिंक यू अंडरस्टैंड, आपको समझ में आया। अगर आपको कुछ डाउट रहे तो मेरे को कमेंट्स करो, मैं आपका डाउट्स क्लैरिफाई कर दूँ। थैंक यू। एंड अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब to my channel, and if you like, I hope you like my channel, right? Because I am following 3 languages: English, Telugu, Urdu. Actually Urdu I don't know, but I am trying. अगर इसमें भी आपको कुछ डाउट्स आए तो मेरे को उर्दू में मेरे फ़ोन नंबर दे तो मैं फ़ोन करके पूछ तो भी मैं बोल देता हूँ, वैसा भी मैं आपका अवेलेबल रहता हूँ।